Now we will see the pre-order algorithm. That is a type of a recursive algorithm, and it assigns the number to the vertices in a transversing order. So this is the pre-order algorithm V. So output will be V if V has children. Children means the leaf of a tree. So if it has a children, then it will go to the left child of V, and then it will to the right child of the V. It means it can go on both sides, left and right, and we can get the various types of strings in a very specific order. That is the transversing order. Here we can begin with the level 0, that is the root, and then consider each of its k children in the order. For each child, we again consider each of its k children, and so on, because this has k children, again this has k children, and both in the left side and the right side. So it will assume children in the specific order, and it goes in the both left and right direction. So we get the k children on both sides. So in this figure we can also see the order of transversing vertices for a tree with L is equal to 4 and K is equal to 2. So L is the length of the merge, and K means only we have a 2 digits 1 and 2. And it gives a very good example of recursive algorithm to perform this process. The sequence of vertices that this algorithm pre-order would return on the tree of L is equal to 4, K is equal to, and we can see here when we read this tree, so root is number 1, then number 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we get the various types of strings. And from the 5 it will not start from here 6, but it will be the 6, 7, 8, 9, and the order will be from this to this side, and it is a very specific order. So we can find the type of a string at a very specific number. So this is the same tree. We got 31 vertices from this tree, and each level has different types of k children. So the only different thing in this tree is by using this pre-order algorithm, we can only get the order of the tree and order of the different strings. Here we can also see the same tree with specific order, and we can also draw the different strings, write different strings by specific order. So if we see here, we can see the number 1 is nothing here, number 2 is 1, and 3 is empty here. So we can tally each of the number, and we will get the same answer in this form also. For example, if we see the number 10 is 1 and 2. So here we can see number 10, 1 and 2. Here we can, for example, is number 20. Number 20 is 2, 1, 1, 1. We can see here number 20 is 2, 1, 1, 1, and so on. 31 is triple tetra 4, and 31 is tetra 4. So from this tree, we get the specific order of the different types of strings. So this algorithm we have used, it gives a very specific numbers, and transversing the complete tree iteratively is implemented in the next vertex algorithm. We will see in the next module the next algorithm, that is the next vertex algorithm. We have seen different types of algorithms that can be used in the tree searching. One is the next leaf algorithm, and we have seen it only gave us the different types of strings. And in the last, we have seen that the pre-order and all leaves algorithms, they are much better recursive algorithm, and they also provide us the transversing sequences of these specific strings.